AR games is where everything is headed. Can't you see that? You just became the Luke Skywalker of the new Star Wars.